The 1951 Ford Custom Club Coupe, priced at $10,500, features a flathead V8 engine with a Ford-O-Matic drive transmission. This all-original car retains its 6-volt system. Everything works and it runs and drives like a dream. The recent interior work includes new wheels and tires. The paint and glass are in fair condition, but there is no body rust. The 1953 Cadillac Series 62, available for $32,500, has 42,900 original miles. It is powered by a 331 V8 engine with a hydromatic transmission. The car includes working factory AC, power steering, and has receipts dating back to the 1980s. The original pastoral blue paint on the body and repainted white top maintain its vintage appeal. The interior is original and in excellent condition, with seats covered in clear plastic for about 30 years. There is no rust or evidence of body repair. The car features factory wire wheels and good wide white bias ply tires with excellent chrome overall. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt carburetor, a new fuel pump, and a starter. The car runs and drives well, and it comes with a clean Texas title. The 1941 Chevrolet Deluxe, listed for $28,500, is a coupe powered by a 327 engine and a 700R Ford transmission. It runs and drives amazingly well. This car is equipped with vintage heat and air that blows ice cold, power windows, power seats for both driver and passenger, power steering, and power brakes. It has a 2-inch chop top, a Camaro subframe, and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The interior is perfect with no rips or tears, making it ideal for comfortable cruising. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. We appreciate your support. The 1941 Chevrolet A Series pickup truck, priced at $32,000, is in running condition. It is powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission and has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system. The car is painted burgundy wine red with matching hubcaps and is located in Texas. The 1922 Durant Model A22, available for $24,000, is an extremely rare, completely restored vehicle. It runs great with a 4-cylinder OHV engine and a 3-speed transmission. The original owner manual and service manuals are included. The 1940 Ford Sedan delivery, priced at $22,500, is very original and has just come out of long-term storage. It has been fully serviced and is ready to go with a new radiator, hoses, fuel pump, and carburetor. The flathead V8 engine sounds great with its old-school style dual exhaust. This collector car can double as a rolling billboard for a business and attracts attention wherever it goes. It drives well, but prefers a slower pace than modern cars. The car can be seen at Tanner's Classic Autos in Malvern, Arkansas. The 1953 Buick Special, available for $9,500, has a straight 8 engine and a 3-on-the-tree transmission. It retains all its original components and includes an airbag system. The car runs very well, and the owner is open to trades. The 1930 Ford Model A Coupe, listed for $33,000, is powered by a 406 engine with approximately 3,800 miles. It has an automatic transmission, a custom frame, a new wiring harness, and an 8 3/4 rear end. The 1955 Pontiac Chieftain, priced at $21,500, is a super solid car from California. It features nice paint and brand new interior. The car runs well and stops great, making it suitable for cruising. The 1950 Ford F1, available for $32,950, has been frame-off restored. It has a flathead V8 motor with dual carbs, a leather seat, an oak bed, and more. The truck has front disc brakes and it has been converted to a 12-volt system with a Ford 9-inch rear end. It starts easily and drives well. The 1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe, priced at $8,000, has had a lot of work done in 2021 and has barely been driven since. It needs a starter and the driver's side window is broken, but a replacement glass is included. The 1932 Ford Roadster, listed for $29,995, features a yellow exterior with a nutmeg leather interior. It is powered by a 454 BB V8 engine with a wind tunnel ram, Holley carbs, XL distributor, wires and coil, and numerous chrome and aluminum items. The car has an automatic transmission, a fiberglass body with full fenders, a wooden dash and running boards, an 8-track stereo, a Grant steering wheel, a Sun SuperTac, an electric wiper, SW gauges, seat belts, exhaust tunes, new tires on chrome ET wheels, and more. It is a true period-correct survivor with a clean Texas title, showing 10,000 plus miles since being rebuilt in Virginia about 4 decades ago. It runs and drives, is fast and loud, and is currently getting a full service check, cosmetic detailing, and a new safety inspection. The 1946 Jeep Willys, priced at $12,595, has new electronic distributor, carburetor, starter, battery, solenoid, coil, plugs, wires, and instrument panel gauges. The wheels, wheel nuts, tires, and lockout hubs have less than 400 miles on them. The gas tank, fuel sending unit, passenger side floor pan, steering wheel, tail lights, rubber windshield seal, and seats with marine grade upholstery have been replaced. Additional items include a winch, tow bar, wooden military supply box, rebuilt starter, headlights, and some original gauges. Receipts for everything new and replaced are available, and it comes with a clear Tennessee title. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket, available for $24,977. It features an automatic transmission, blue exterior, and blue interior.